When writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write G, go up, stop, then come back down and round, stop, then go all the way down, swing under the line and end on the bottom line. Let's see how this looks in a word. Get is written like this. Egg is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital G, draw a curve all the way down and halfway up. Stop, then go straight down, stop, and add a short line balancing in the middle. The word get with a capital G is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.